example 1, it says a map has a scale of 1 to 20,000. Find the actual distances of each of the scale distances. So we're going from scaled to actual, so we're actually timesing these ones by the scale factor, or the scale ratio, which is 20,000. So 2 times 20,000 equals 40,000. The units is centimetres. That's a bit cumbersome thinking about 40,000 centimetres. I'm going to convert it to metres by dividing it by 100 centimetres a metre, which will give me an answer of 400 metres. Alright, the next one, 5 millimetres on the scale. What is it in actual? So 5 times 20,000 gives me 100,000 millimetres. Okay, I'm going to divide that by 1,000 millimetres because there is 1,000 millimetres in a metre, and that will give me 100 metres. And the last one, part C, 14.3 centimetres times by 20,000 will give me 286,000 centimetres. Now I can divide that by 100, and that will give me 2,860 metres, or I could change it to kilometres, which would end up being 2.86 kilometres. Because there is 1,000 metres in a kilometre, I just divide that by 1,000. Okay, example 2, it says a model boat has a scale of 1 to 500. Find the scaled lengths for each of the actual lengths. So this is telling us that we're going from the actual back to the scaled, and that means we are going to divide by the scale ratio. So 50 metres divided by 500. I might change that to centimetres first, just to make it easier. So 50 metres is the same as 5,000 centimetres. And if I divide that by 500, zeros will go. Okay, 5 into 50 goes 10. Because I changed it into centimetres, my answer will be 10 centimetres. So in real life we had 50 metres. Our scale, which is 500 times smaller, gives us an answer of 10 centimetres. Now, let's do 75 centimetres. To make it easier, let's convert that to millimetres, which is just 750 millimetres. So we do 750 millimetres divided by 500. And if you're not sure what that is, let's get our calculator. Bring our calculator in, and we're going to type in 750 divided by 500, which will give us 1.5 millimetres. 5 millimetres. And finally, in real life we have 4 0.550 millimeters. Our scaled length is 500 times smaller, so we're going to divide that straight away by 500. We'll get our calculator and do 4550 divided by 500 equals, and the answer is going to be 9.1 millimeters. Okay, just remember, times going from scaled to actual, divided by going from actual to scale. Alright, let's see how you go.